Hey guys! Welcome back to Board Smashing! Today, instead of destroying something that's expensive and high-tech, we're gonna be smashing something that's cheap and novelty, that mimics something that's high-tech and expensive. And that toy is the Xbox Series X mini fridge. I bought it on Black Friday for only $99, so it should be a nice break for my wallet as well. Let's boot her up! Wow! With it all set up, and with the lights and the small details, it really does look like a real Xbox Series X. I mean, if you're an idiot that doesn't pay any attention. Now how many gamer juices can it fit? Wow! It fit the entire box! And there's space for some Doritos! Now this is where the positives end. There's a reason it only has 2 stars on the Target website. We're gonna switch on the cooling. And the main complaint is that it's kinda loud and the cooling is subpar. So I've heard. I'm gonna have no regrets destroying this thing. This is normal and not a defect. We simply ask you to go f*** yourself. But one more thing before the smashing can begin. We have to compare it to an actual Xbox Series X. Just as I thought. They look similar enough for an idiot to confuse the two. Let's also take a look at it next to the Halo Infinite Limited Edition Xbox Series X. There's really no point to this comparison. I just wanted to show off this limited edition console because of how beautiful it is and because I love it so much. Mwah. I can't wait to play Halo Infinite on you later. Alright, enough oohing and eyeing. Let's smash this fridge. We're gonna start with the pickaxe through the top of the mini fridge. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Wait, this isn't the mini fridge. It's the real Xbox Series X! You guys can't blame me. Anyone else would have made the exact same mistake. Let's bring you back inside. Since we wasted too much time setting up for the wrong thing to be destroyed outside, we're just gonna smash the mini fridge inside. Again, pickaxe through the top in 3, 2, 1. Wow! That mini fridge didn't stand a chance! This pickaxe went right through it! Let's finish this outside! Will it still work? Of course not! Because it's a stupid, cheap, non-durable mini fridge! Yeah! Huh? Oh. Whew, this mini fridge was a lot tougher than I thought. I need a drink. Wait, where's the Mountain Dew? And where's Halo Infinite? No Mountain Dew and no Halo Infinite? That must mean... No! Not the Halo Infinite Limited Edition Xbox Series X! But we've been through so much together! Don't worry, I'll avenge you! Get over here! Oh, damn it! Get over here! 3, 2, 1. You get what you fucking deserve! You've been avenged. Oh, shotgun, shotgun, oh, shotgun. Yeah. Mountain Dew on the lens, not good. No wonder why it's so cheap. Pack of materials outside and inside the fridge. Let's pour one out for our fallen comrade. Wait, what's this? The limited edition controller that came with it? Well, you can't keep the child alive after you killed their parents, so... Happy 20th anniversary, Xbox! So, what's the moral of this video? It's no use crying over smashed consoles. And so with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. It was an accident. It was an accident, I swear. And I'll see you guys later. Bye! It's fine. The neighbors are not gonna like me after this. You get what you fucking deserve!